In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to dark mode Twitter. If you want to get dark mode on Twitter, just hop onto your browser or your Twitter mobile app. If you're on your browser, you search for twitter.com. This is my Twitter. For me to be able to enable dark mode on this Twitter account, all I need to do is to click on my profile picture at the top left. I scroll down, click on display. If you're in display, you scroll down. Under this background, as you can see, it's currently on default. If you want to dim it, you dim it. Then if you want it to be on dark mode, you put it on light out. You click on done. As you can see, my Twitter is now on dark mode. So guys, that is it on how to get dark mode on Twitter. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.